Bisha cia murutwo mwe kuma thukuru-ini wa Nyaminini kaunti-ini ya Siaya ari mutungie bara ya githigithanio ni murutani umwe ni kwaga gukinya max 400 kigeranio-ini ciratindire cigithiururuka nenda-ini cia ukinyaniria muthenya wa ira na kwamburura urugari muingi kuma kuri Kenya. Na kurumirira giko giki minister wa githomo Professor George Magoha ni athite kamiti ya kwandika arutani TSC kwambiriria mutaratara wa gufuta murutani ucio wira. Magoha akiuga ati kuhura murutwo ni mugaru na watho.
Teacher Service Commission by chapter 15 of the Constitution is an independent body and it will start its processes. From the legal point of view, we have the Ministry of Interior, Coordination of National Government. Nothing stops us from ensuring that that teacher goes to face the full force of the law as the Teacher Service Commission is doing whatever it does.
Magoha ningi ni okereire arutani aria makoretwo na mutuo wa kuhura arutwo ni undu wa kwaga gukinyia max cia iguru kigeranio-ini, akiuga ati aingi arutani aya ona matire na uhoti wa kuhetuka kigeranio kiu mangineo.
If I as a cabinet secretary cannot cane a child, who do you think you are as an ordinary teacher to cane somebody's child like that? And for no reason. For no reason at all, that you want the child to score more than 400. You yourself, would you score 400 if you are given a test which is at the same level?
Murutwo uyu wa kirathi gia kanana ataburikanite ta Bravin Ochudo na aranyitite max 340 hari 400 iria cirabataranagia, na marahurirwo na angi kenda aria matongoragia muno thukuru-ini ucio, na mabitha githomo gitaro-ini kia Nyanza matongoretio ni Nelson Sifuna ni marekinyiria thukuru-ini ucio na uthuthuria urambiririo guku makiranira ati makinya ma kiwatho ni magutacukio.
Unless you are doing it as a self-defense, where a child is menacingly coming to harm you, you must not touch the child. Call the parents of the child, let them come and take the child home, and we start from there.
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV ritwa riakwa ni Kimani Wagujiri.